But yeah, this looks amazing, right? This is incredible. This is incredible. And it's not like anything else that you see. They're truly unique, and we let their intelligence and their domain specific talents just really shine here. I mean, look at that. Oh my gosh, wow. With YG3, you can create the impossible. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's make something worthwhile. So our goal is to create a self-refining creative engine. And we're going to do that with YG3, 4 YG3 models to be exact. So Elysia, she's going to create this strategy. Vani, the images. Taurus, provide feedback. Merlin provides hashtags. And Elysia brings it all back together again. The whole point is we're doing iterative refinement with these small specialized models. So you can actually jump into this right now. So here I'm showing the notebook that it will be available to everyone, which is awesome. So I'm going to skip through a bit of the setup and go straight to the examples. So here we have the topic, morning routine for productivity. Very cool. You can change that to anything you want to do. Now we pass it to Elysia. Elysia creates a strategy based on that topic. And she's a business and marketing expert, so she's going to be great with this. Then we're going to have her extract an image idea that goes with that strategy. So we're going to go ahead and run that now and pass that through Vani, who actually is the artist and creates the image. Love what is created here. Exactly the morning, beautiful, elegant thing we were going after. But we're not just going to stop there. We're going to do iterative refinement right here. And while this is a beautiful piece, the whole point are the models working together, getting smarter together, and learning from each other and their expertise. So now we're going to give it over to Taurus, who has a great vision understanding and is going to go look at it, give a little bit of a critique. I mean, I think it looks great, but Taurus is going to go ahead and pass that back to Elysia after Taurus gives the specific things that it believes could be implemented. And what's really cool about this is that you can keep iterating. You can have as many steps in this creative engine as you desire. You can have many editing loops, but for the sake of brevity and to show you guys how this all works together, you'll see we're just going to go through one editing loop together. But there, Taurus says the lighting is a bit dim, composition could be improved, colors could be improved. Some things seem kind of blurry. Let's bring that in. Okay, now we're going to hop it back to Elysia, who is the strategist of the system, and have her revise based on those edits. Amazing collaboration without any egos going on. Now we're going to give it back to Vani to generate the image, version 2, revised by the team. So because these models are slim, efficient, specialized, it's really cool how they're able to work together in ways that just has not been seen before. So now we're going to go ahead and see the refined image. It's really cool. You can create whatever you want with our APIs, obviously, but the way that they interact is unlike any other. All right, so now we can see for the tutorial and in the collab, you can test this yourself with different images and different image ideas. But here's version 1 and version 2 based on what the creative team came up with. Okay, so if we wanted to, we could add more editing steps, but let's go ahead and move to Merlin. He's more of the executor of the team, so more task-based, which is its own type of intelligence. He's just going to go ahead and get those hashtags for us. Then everything's going to go back to Elysia with all the context she needs in order to make the final piece of content. This is just a caption. Also in here, we have blog generation, all this other stuff, all this other content you could do. This shows you all of the work that's done really transparently so you guys can learn how to best leverage these systems, how to prompt them, what works for you. But yeah, this looks amazing, right? This is incredible. This is incredible, and it's not like anything else that you see. They're truly unique, and we let their intelligence and their domain-specific talents just really shine here. I mean, look at that. Oh my gosh, wow. Yeah. And that's just the beginning. There's so much more to that tutorial, which we will link in here below. Go out there and create the impossible, guys.